in first dialogue, all the things are not expected and should not be written professionally to the guide,
Okay, okay,
because that is not justifiable.
okay, okay.
If student is doing that way, it means that students are selfish.
So doctor, I want to ask you one thing. Okay, during the PhD, what happens that we fail to express our ideas or doubts with our guide or supervisor. So, what should a scholar do in that case?
So as it is evident that students should go and fix the time. So timing should be leisure time. It should not be like the supervisor is occupied, that then you are suddenly going and talking, because I have personally noticed that teacher and student should not connecting the correct time.
Okay.
So the solution to those kind of situations are that once the appointment is fixed,
Mm-hmm.
I think that makes sense. And where a
Mm-hmm.
scholar can also request the supervisors
Mm-hmm.
to pay full attention on the problem, what is this problem is all about, or the idea is all about, and they can debate for at least 2-3 times, because
Okay.
what is happening at one go, there might be a problem that sometime from the reception side or from the interviewing side, or the interviewer, means interviewer is the guide, you know. so so sometime people are not reaching to the conclusion.
Okay.
So I would advise that at least 2-3 engagements, fruitful
Hmm.
engagements are required between the supervisor and the research scholars.
Okay. But what
Not the
happens
not the
most
one meeting. Not one meeting is sufficient.
But what happens in most of the cases, as I have also seen, that once we go and talk about one stuff, we discuss that stuff with the guide. Now guide told us something. So according to them, that thing is solved. According to the guide, this thing is clear to the scholar. But the scholar might still be left with some more doubts. So what happens
Hmm.
when next time that person goes to the guide one more time, then that guide says that we talked about this the last time, why are you still left with the doubts, what is happening and all that stuff, and the scholar is not left with any other choice than to keep silent about it and come outside. So
Hmm.
what a scholar can do in such scenarios?
So I whatever I'm sharing, it has some basis, actually, technical basis,
Okay.
because if they are not linking according to the guide, the problem is solved or some suggestions was made,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
But the scholar require, from the scholar there has to be attempt,
Mm-hmm.
2-3 attempts. It could be in the form of personal engagement.
Mm-hmm.
It could be in the form of email.
Mm-hmm.
It could it could be in the form of some general discussion,
Okay.
because most of the difficult thing uh, mostly sorted out in the general discussion,
Okay.
where the both the parties are at the same level.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So because but scholars are also in hurry burry these days,
Mm-hmm.
because they want to go, or they
Mm-hmm.
want to do PhD of 4 or 5 years PhD in 2 years,
Mm-hmm. This
and they
happens.
are not focused also.
Mm-hmm.
It is whose product? I believe I believe it is whose product? It is the product of the scholar,
Mm-hmm.
where guide is helping, where
Mm.
guide is helping them,
Yes. Yes.
whether guide's friend helping them, whether
Mm.
family member is helping them,
Mm-hmm.
scholars. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So scholars should devote sufficient time,
Mm-hmm.
make a correct setup, like through formal communication, prior appointment.
Mm-hmm.
So I am just suggesting where most of the problem is occurring, because scholar is in one plane,
Mm.
guide is in other plane.
Yes.
Guide is more occupied like 70-20 projects,
Mm-hmm.
consultancy project, 4 or 5 scholars with one professor faculty, and
Mm-hmm.
every problems are different. So it is scholar's duty to engage the guide
Mm-hmm.
beautifully,
Mm-hmm.
empathetically, and with patience.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose guide is also a human being. You
Mm-hmm.
understand?
Mm-hmm.
So guide is also occupied in multiple notes in the university or outside the university. So majorly the control goes to the scholar actually.
Okay. Okay.
I'm not biased. I'm not biased. I'm not taking,
Mm-hmm. I
or
understand.
I'm not taking the advocacy of the professor,
Mm-hmm.
but I am just trying to resolve these issues
Mm-hmm.
and insisting scholars to do it.
Okay.
So one time, suppose a scholar is not do it, at least a scholar should go and show their face. So
Mm-hmm.
one connect is bonding becomes, good between the
Mm-hmm.
supervisor and the scholar.
Mm-hmm.
I'm giving you two scenarios. One
Okay.
scenario which I have just shared with you.
Yes. Yes.
Second scenario is that a scholar believe that okay, I will make the phone call to the supervisor and tell whatever is expected.
Mm-hmm.
So from the scholar point of view is okay, but
Mm-hmm.
the guide point of view is something vast, means big.
Okay.
Whenever a scholar come to and make the appointment, personally visit, meeting and everything,
Mm-hmm.
then definitely the guide will tell the further direction of the
Mm-hmm.
research. Okay, beta, you do this. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
beta, you do this parallelly. Whenever a scholar come to me for one or two things, it is
Mm-hmm.
my responsibility. So I am giving you, okay, do this, send me the email, you go
Mm-hmm.
to that journal, you go to this. So I want to occupy the scholar
Mm-hmm.
and everything is important.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? So it is also a strategy,
Mm-hmm.
but student has to take the first call, second call, third call,
Mm-hmm.
because if until and unless they are not meeting, though both the parties are not meeting,
Mm-hmm.
the work of the scholar would remain the same.
Yes, he will still be struck at the same point.
And
Okay.
in this setup, if a scholar is not connecting with the professor,
Mm-hmm.
what is happening? The gap creates more.
Mm-hmm.
Means each student is losing the interest, trust on the supervisor,
Mm-hmm.
and equally
Mm-hmm.
supervisor somewhere in the mind is also losing the interest.
One of the most scenarios I've seen in this case, like a
Mhm.
scholar is sending an email to the guide, asking him for time, even telling his problem to him that okay, I'm stuck and this. But if the
Mhm.
guide is not responding to the email, then the things are still stuck
Then,
at that
then
point.
yes. So you ask a very good question. I will give you the quick solution.
Yes.
I personally visualize
Mm-hmm.
whenever professor is busy not responding in second or third time, suppose it is happening, then fourth time student have to go in his or her office
Then he
and
can go.
inquire the matter. Yes, personal visit means personal visit.
Mm-hmm.
These questions are very common in nature. Many
Mm-hmm.
people they ask me these questions in the FDPs also. Sir,
Okay.
my guide is not responding. I have sent very polite emails. So I said, you go and personally visit them.
Okay.
And in personal dialogue,
Mm-hmm.
because if a student is also adamant, no, I
Mm-hmm.
will only go when the guide will tell. Or a student is residing some far places. I
Mm-hmm.
understand. A
Mm-hmm.
scholar also has the engagement, family, everything.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But a scholar has to be more practical than the professor.
Then the professor.
That
Okay.
is the answer for all these questions, what you are
Mm-hmm.
expecting in this
So
call.
the things that you said that initially we need to send a mail where we will
Hmm.
explain about what we want to talk, what we are expecting,
No,
and
in first dialogue, no, sorry,
huh,
I will interrupt here. In first dialogue, all the things are not expected and should not be written professionally to the guide
okay, okay,
because that is not justifiable.
okay, okay,
If a student is doing that way, it means that students are selfish.
okay, okay,
That is my personal view.
okay, okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
because and it is validated, proven also.
Hmm.
Because if you have written everything a big email,
Hmm. Hmm.
it is not expected that, and that's why, and this is one of the reason actually.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
There is an answer in the question itself. Most of the guides they are not responding those emails because they believe that the student is very much selfish.
Hmm.
The student is not willing to come to see me
Hmm.
in the office
Hmm.
for further discussion. And
Hmm.
research is by virtue. is a such a assignment which required lot of discussion and lot of new formulation.
Okay.
Means new content we are adding. It is not the content is written in Google or content something is written. Most it is a teamwork basically. I believe it is a teamwork.
Yes,
The
yes.
more the discussion, the more the point will be there, or whatever the guide is saying, student has to write all these points and formally give the correct structure in his or her place.
Okay.
Okay, so
So
that's why most of the professors they are not sending the responses because student has already overburdened in the
okay, by
and
writing everything in the mail.
from the etiquette side also, if you see from the angle of etiquettes, it is not allowed the new person like engaged, scholar is also professional, guide is also professional. So in first dialogue you want everything, or in second, third dialogue you want everything. In party selfish,
I got your point.
isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes. So let me just once again put it into words. So as you are as you're saying that the first time, just send a mail asking for time that I want to discuss with you.
Very polite email.
Very
Sir,
obviously
I
very
will do.
politely.
Dear sir, hope you are fine. Would you be available for a 10-20 minutes meeting? Because 10-20 minutes is okay, because you should, whenever a scholar is going to the minutes, everything written on the research diary. Scholar has to maintain the research diary. When I was in IIT, I was maintaining the research.
Okay.
So that clarity will be there. Otherwise, what is happening? I am asking the same question in a different way from the supervisor.
Okay. 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 So
Is
initially we
scholar
can.
is yeah
Initially
scholar
we
is
can just.
actually is not matured enough at this point.
This is an actually way. This is an actual point because we are not so much matured when we just start a PhD, when we are just
You could be
entered a
matured
PhD.
in your own professional life, but you could not be matured in the research problem, synthesis, understanding literature review, what papers is talk about, what new conference just came today itself, 24 January 2021, isn't it? So who will take care of all this?
Okay.
And if a student is highly motivating and very generous, definitely any strict professor would definitely help the scholar. Though they are whatever they have their nature, whether strict, because some professors they believe they will, because they are strict. Because I had interviewed with many professors and in personal dialogue. So I have already researched all these things. Personally researched now. I made the, resolving the queries between one guide and their scholars. Guide is also right, scholar is also right. Okay, because there are certain situations and circumstances where both the parties are right.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so how to connect with this? Then I request guide also, then I request scholar also, encourage scholar, can fix it. Forget the past. Don't raise the same issues again. Because that is the only way. We have all have long way to go.
Yes, obviously. We all have a long way to go.
We claim that we are professional, but actually we are not professional, right? You and me, we are not professional. We are just imparting our services, because teaching research, like it is my bread and butter. But we are not saying we are professional. If we are professional, then we are not social.
Obviously.
Then we have no right to help scholars to and all these things. So we have to keep a balance between these profiles. I am a parent to, I am a son to my mother, parents. I myself as a parent, because I have to take care of my kids also. So we have different role to play. So in a nutshell, I will give you one very good word which you like the most is culture.
Yes, culture.
We all are in a culture, professional, I should not use professional. We culture which is based on majorly should be based on education.
Okay. So
Research is one component.
I got your point.
Teaching is one component. Engagement is another component.
So
Giving the job is a component.
yes. So coming back to that, we need to send a mail first. asking for like 20 to 10 minutes time. And if no answer comes, then write a mail one more time. If this continues to 3-4 times, then only go and visit the office of the
I
supervisor.
think I will give you my strategy,
Mhm.
which is more proven. Whenever two emails replies are not coming,
Mhm.
third time student has to visit the supervisor.
Okay. Okay.
Third time, because
Mhm.
if you pass the third one, then again you are wasting your time, and then supervisor will also say that okay, why you are wasting your time.
Okay. So
So
the
two
two
permission,
mails.
two slots I have given to
Hmm.
the scholar,
Hmm.
flexibility and everything.
Hmm.
Third slot is compulsion. Student go and reach to the office. If
Hmm.
the person is not available or ill, unwell, whatever, then scholar has the right to go and see supervisor in their home. Take the
Okay.
address from the colleagues and all, sir, where he or she lives. At least I will try. So a student has to, follow the supervisor actually
Got your point. Got your point.
in
So.
in a meaningful way. It
Hmm.
is not a forced way, in a meaningful way. Okay,
Hmm.
one time, okay, professor is not also available in the house. Okay, after 10-15 days, again they can go see. Sometimes these are genuine problem also, because
Yeah.
supervisor want to reach you, but because of communication medium, suppose nobody can guarantee, supervisor are also called scholars, but
Hmm.
scholars were busy in some other meeting setup, then the
Hmm.
call was denied.
Yeah, right. Yes.
Then
Happens.
and supervisor expect more from the scholar.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And initial time is a bonding time. I
Hmm.
will tell you, initial time is a bonding time of this relationship. The
By
good the
initial.
relationship,
Hmm.
the good the relationship, it will longer, they can cherish this relationship for the longer time.
By initial time, you mean 1 year, the first year of PhD.
No, I'm not bracketing the year.
Okay. Okay.
I'm not calculating. That is the one thing which you will differentiate me.
Hmm.
Calculating 6 month, 1 year.
Hmm.
I am calculating the engagement time. Suppose
Okay.
five times you met in a month.
Hmm.
So it is required actually. It is essential.
Hmm.
It is not like that. Okay, I went in July. Now I will be January.
Okay. I got it.
Students are approaching just like a semester. It is
I
not a
understand.
semester.
Hmm. I understand. Okay. So.
Discussion,
Hmm.
progress of the work,
Hmm.
and meanwhile you can writing also in consultation with each other.
Yes. Obviously. Obviously. So
So
thank you
this is
so
the
much,
answer.
sir, for this answer. This really great answer. This is an actually
It is not
case that
available on
happens.
Google. I can claim that it is not available on
It is
Google.
not,
It
sir.
is
It
comes
is
from the
not.
practical.
Yes. Yes. Thanks so much, sir. Thank you.